Hello, and welcome to another episode at AreYouReadyToOrganize.com. This is Rebecca Phillips, owner and operator of AreYouReadyToOrganize.com, a home organization business that focuses on the wellness benefits of keeping a decluttered home. The latest from the business now, I'm going to read you the latest post, which focuses on the mindset of home organization and what I've learned that matters most. To enjoy good health, to bring true happiness to one's family, to bring peace to all, one must first discipline and control one's own mind. If a man can control his mind, he can find the way to enlightenment, and all wisdom and virtue will naturally come to him. Quote, Buddha. We'll make it short and very sweet today, but my topic is keeping your home organized and having that right mindset. Buddha said it very well. Enlightenment and wisdom with virtue will naturally come to all. And that's what I believe when we declutter and keep our home organized. When you live in clutter, the exact opposite happens. Things are in chaos. It's hard to enjoy those things that you mostly love. It's hard to do most anything when you have clutter around you. How can you see see exactly what it is that you need to have in front of you in order to be productive, in order to be happy, in order to get things done, and to make more room for fun and family, which is what it's all about. As you all know, this is a new business of mine, one that I take very seriously, and I want my community to have the best service and products for keeping their home organized. Ones that work and that are affordable and easy to use. And as I've been pondering my next product, one that I plan to sell, I had a blistering simple thought. As a home organizer, I am here to instill that each and every one of you knows how to declutter and keep your home organized. It's my job to teach you that. I think about this often, but realize today that I need to say it again. Why do I need to say it again? I had a wonderful chat with a new friend, a life coach named Claire Southern from Southern Life Coaching. As Claire and I chatted, it became clear to me that I need to restate my assumptions and beliefs about my community. You have the skills to declutter and organize. The sea of doing and white noise can sabotage us. Decluttering seems impossible, but it's not. It's easier to do nothing as we stay safe and avoid failure. We all have the intuition to organize ourselves and our home, yet don't listen to ourselves sometimes. It's my job to help each of you find that inner strength and inner voice. I can create countless of checklists for each room for you all, and it would do me no good at all, and you no good at all, until you learn to listen to that voice, that organizational intuition. We know that when things are monumental, that we must break them down into small tasks. That's what all successful people do. And we have to work on those small tasks using a smart routine, a daily and weekly routine. Keeping your home organized, the 80-20 rule. Everyone knows how to declutter. Life and white noise do get in the way, like I said before. The sea of doing derails us from decluttering and organizing as part of our routines. And I'll say that again, yes, routines. Decluttering is the animal that must be tamed. It takes the lion's share of the time and labor, up to 80%, when we try to organize our homes. It can seem daunting and impossible, but it's not. The answer, deduction, breaking down small areas and sorting and sorting and sorting until you end up with just what you regularly use and what you love. Sort by A, because I use it and love it. B, donate, gift, or toss. We look at piles and think there will never be enough time or enough energy to tackle them, but there is. Just start. You will see the mess and clutter start to chip away, and there it is. The stuff you love and want to use right in front of you now. The fun begins. Now you can start to organize what you love and what you want to use. Let's just try to visualize that. You have spent 3 or 4 days decluttering that closet, and I do have a great closet checklist on my website. You just go and click on Organize Your Home, and it'll have the closet checklist you can click on. And now you can see what you're keeping, those clothes you love and the ones that can make you feel fantastic and beautiful wardrobes, those outfits that you love. What a feeling. Isn't that what it's all about? So I use the closet as an example because when I have decluttering challenges, what I hear most from people is that they have a day or two to do their closets and they say it's impossible because there's just so much clutter in there. Things are just thrown all over the place and on the floor, and there's no way they can do it. Also, their paperwork. That paper seems to just swallow them up. There's just so much of it, and how do I keep it organized so I don't have to sit there constantly and play with it? Those are 2 more things we're going to be talking about on the blog in the next couple of weeks, and I plan on having some challenges also coming up. Don't forget to jump down in the description and sign up for my email list, and then you can become a part of those challenges. And then, in case you didn't know, I'll also put a link to my Facebook group down below, where I also have lives every single Friday morning, and I invite guests who are super organized, super business people that will talk to us how they get it all done. So thank you so much for joining, and we'll talk soon.